This is a bigger one, also crackle technique.
You can see more visible crackle finish. And the design is in dark and different color block combination together. Yeah. We have a big range, a big collection on this design. We can do it by 50% hand painting to lower down the production cost and shorten the delivery time. So customer, if you like to try this range, we'll suggest to do 50% hand painting.
Yes, especially for this technique. Yes.
If by fully hand painting, it really takes too much time.
That means the price it will be very high.
Yeah.
But if you do 50% hand painting, the price will be very competitive.
Yeah.